Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Lorraine coming to you live. I wanted to wish that special someone a very happy Father's Day. If it's a friend, your cousin, your uncle, your grandpa, your pop-pop, your stepdad, whoever that special man figure in your life is, we wanted to give him a great big hug and tell them, I love you. And thank you for joining me in listening to a story and doing a Father's Day craft. I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye. My Dad by Steve Smallman. Some dads just love to snuggle and cuddle. Some dads join in when you jump in a puddle. Some dads will run up and down by your side, holding your bike till you learn how to ride. Some dads can cheer you up when you're crying and hold you so high that you feel like you're flying. Some dads will help you whatever you do. Some dads will toot and say it was you. Some dads build magical castles of sand or make you feel safe by holding your hand. Some dads drink soda and give you a slurp and then laugh out loud when you do a big burp. Some dads look big as a giant to you, and up on their shoulders you feel like one too. Some dads get upset and start grumbling and stamping, just because they're kind of hopeless at camping. Some dads try hard, but they really can't cook. And some dads are just great at reading a book. Nobody's dad is like mine, and I'm glad. When I'm big, I want to be just like my dad.